Miniature car unboxing videos are becoming a huge trend across social media right now. Just look at the kind of engagement this content is getting. Some new pages have gained thousands of followers simply by uploading these tiny, satisfying car unboxing clips. Individual videos are already reaching millions of views. And the best part? You can create this entire style of video with AI in just a couple of minutes. So, let me show you exactly how to do it for free. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of popular, eye-catching car models. Tell it to include well-known brands and models that people instantly recognize. Once ChatGPT gives you the list, go through the options and choose a car that would look impressive as a miniature collectible. Pick your favorite model and copy its name. Next, check the description of this video and find the master prompt I've provided. Copy the complete prompt exactly as it is. Now open Google Flow and switch to the video generation section. Select Omni Flash as your video model and choose a 10-second duration. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box. After that, return to ChatGPT and take the car name you selected earlier. Insert that name into the vehicle section of the master prompt. Make sure everything is correctly placed, then click Generate. Within a short time, Google Flow will create your miniature car unboxing scene, complete with the tiny packaging, product reveal, and satisfying visual details. And that's it, you now have an AI-generated miniature car unboxing video ready to turn into a social media reel. If you want to create another viral AI video style using just a simple text prompt, check out the next tutorial where I explain the complete process step by step.